Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Anne's Public School Bagpat online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear student, today we are going to discuss again chapter number 4, elasticity of demand. As you know that in my previous video we have discussed some numerical questions of elasticity of demand. But today means again we are going to discuss type 2 calculation of either price or quantity when price elasticity of demand is given. So question is here, see the demand for a good at rupee 10 per unit. See how will you solve this? How will you solve this? The demand for a good at rupee 10 per unit means this is initial price. Initial price means P, rupee 10, and is 40 units means initial quantity means 40 units. See, price falls by means delta and by represents delta, but see here price, so delta P here means information is given about the price. Here information is given about price, so you will take delta P. See here false is given, so you will take minus 5. Always remember by means delta, and here price is given, so you will take delta P, and here false is also given, you will take minus 5. Suppose rises is given here, then you will take plus 5. So I hope all of you have understood. See after this, if price elasticity of demand is minus 3 means, always remember we will always take price elasticity of demand means in positive number. So means after this calculate new quantity means Q1, means we have to find Q1, and ED, value of ED is 3. So I hope all of you have understood, means these informations are given. See now please find delta Q. We cannot find this, but see delta P is already given, so please use this formula. ED is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. Delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. See, ED is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. What is the value of ED? 3. What is the value of ED? 3. Minus, what is the value of delta Q? We don't know. Delta Q. What is the value of delta P? Minus 5. What is the value of P? 10. What is the value of Q? 40. 10 divided by 5 at 2, and 40 divided by 2 means 20. This minus sign and minus sign will become positive. See, delta Q divided by 20 and do cross multiply. Delta Q is equal to 60. But we have to find Q1. So what is the formula of delta Q? Q1 minus Q. Delta Q means 60. See, delta Q means 60 and Q1 we don't know. Q means 40. Add this 100 units. So this is your final answer. I hope all of you have understood how will you solve this type of question. Please pause the video and note down this. See next question. Example number 2. Price elasticity of demand for a product is a unity. Unity means 1. Means ED is equal to 1. A household buys 25 units of the product at the price of rupee 5 per unit, means initial price means rupee 5 and initial quantity means 25 units. See, if the price of product rises by rupee 1, here by means delta and price, so we will take delta p, and here rises is given, so we will take a plus 1. Delta p is equal to 1. How much quantity of the product will the household buy? How much quantity of the product means Q1. We have to find this. See, please calculate delta Q. We can't find this. See, please use this formula. ED is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. What is the value of ED? 1 minus delta Q, we can't find this. Delta P means 1. P 5. Initial quantity 25. 25 divided by 5 at 5. So delta Q divided by 5. Now delta Q will be equal to minus 5, but we have to find Q1. So what is the formula of delta Q? Q1 minus Q. Delta Q means minus 5. Q1 we don't know. Q 25 and this. So you will get Q1 is equal to 20 units. This is the final answer. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve again this type of question. Please pause the video and note down this. See, type third, elasticity of demand by percentage method. See, when price of a commodity falls by 80%, means how will you solve this? See carefully. Means percentage change in price. Percentage change in price of a commodity falls by 80%. Means percentage change in price means falls. So falls represent minus sign, means minus 80%. The quantity demanded of it increases by, means percentage change in quantity demand means 100%. Means percentage change in price is given, percentage change in quantity demanded is also given. Find out its price elasticity of demand by percentage method. What is the formula of this? ED is equal to minus percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Percentage change in quantity demanded means 100% and percentage change in price means 80%. So this will be, means minus will become positive, or you can say cancelled. 0 to 0 cancelled, and 10 divided by 2 means at 5, and 10 divided means 8 divided by 2 at 4. 5 by 4 means 1.25. 1.25 means this value is greater than 1. So you will write ED greater than 1 means highly elastic. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve this type of question. So please pause the video and note down this. See, next example means example number 2. A consumer buys 20 units of a good at rupee 10 per unit. Means initial price rupee 10 and initial quantity 20 units. See, after this, when its price falls by 10%, means percentage change in price is given. Percentage change in price minus 10%, because see, price falls represent minus sign and percentage means given. See, now demand rises to 22 units. Demand rises to 22 units means this is Q1. So find delta Q. Q1 minus Q means 2. Now percentage change in price is given, but first of all we have to find percentage change in quantity demanded. What is the formula of percentage change in quantity demanded? Delta Q divided by Q into 100. Delta Q means 2, Q means 20 into 100. This will become 10%. So I hope it is clear. Now use the formula of elasticity of demand by percentage method. Percentage change in QD, percentage change in price. 10% minus 10%, this will become cancelled and this will be equal to 1. So ED equal to 1 means unitary elastic. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve this type of question. Please pause the video and note down this. See example number 3. Calculate the price elasticity of demand for a commodity when its price increases by 25%. Means percentage change in price 25%, because increases by. So we will take a positive percentage. Quantity demanded falls from 150 units to 120 units. Means initial quantity means 150 units and Q1 means 120 units. Now we can find here delta Q. Q1 minus Q means minus 30. Now percentage change in price is given, but we have to find percentage change in quantity demanded. Delta Q divided by Q into 100. Delta Q means minus 30. Q means 150 into 100. 0 to 0 cancelled, and see 30 divided by 15 means at 2, so minus 20%.